I have been thinking about buying a camera. I plan to buy either a Canon M50 or a Canon G7X, and I'm heading to town to go buy my very first camera ever. Did I ever have a camera before? No. Although, story time. There's this time, okay, so my parents have a shop in Muranga where I grew up, and I occasionally would get left at the shop to be the shopkeeper and stuff, So one day, some guy, a vendor, alikuwa anauza like this over-the-counter medicine ama zinaitwa nini, kina Panadol, Actol, Tumbo Seed. Yes, I remember Tumbo Seed because that's what he made me buy. He made me purchase a packet of Tumbo Seed. We never used to sell Tumbo Seed, we only used to sell Actol, and he claimed that Tumbo Seed had a promotion that once you open the box you'll find a voucher that is written whatever you've won. So I'm not one to pass on free things. So I bought Tumbo Seed. I remember buying 2 packets. I don't know who I was planning to sell to. And then I opened one box and it said, I've won a camera. But then he told me that for me to get the camera, I need to pay 3,500. It was a lot because like tulikuwa tunauza like up to, the sales would amount to maybe 5,000, 7,000. So 3,500 is a lot of money for that particular shop. So I ended up buying that. I ended up giving him the 3,500 and he gave me the camera. It was those big cameras that you don't really know how they work. I never tried to use it while he was still there. I was busy. I think I had customers at the time. So then my mother came and she flipped out. She could not believe that I wasted money on such a gadget. She was like, you've been conned. And we immediately took a matatu to where that guy had gone to, and luckily we found him. And my mother was like, we don't need this, we don't want this. So yeah, that's my short story of being conned and having a camera while I was young for a few hours. So today I'm going to get my very own camera. Let's go get me a camera. Hi guys, so it's clearly the following day, or a different day should I say. I bought this camera from camerasafrica.com. They have a physical shop along Kenyatta Avenue if you guys want to go purchase the same. So I wanted to just unbox it so you can see what is in the box, what it comes with, and then I'll do a clip using this camera, and then I will insert it in this video so that you guys can see what the difference. And I'm really excited for the videos that will be coming in the future because they will not be cropped in as much, and I believe they will be better quality. If you are excited for the same, please make sure you click on the like button, and if you are new here, do subscribe. I know this video will attract different people because this is an entirely different genre, an entirely different type of YouTube video. So if you're new here, look at my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel. You guys already know I usually record using my iPhone 6s Plus. So this is the box. We are not going to pretend that it has not been opened before, but I don't know if I told you guys I was going for the Canon EOS M50. I have been reading and watching videos about cameras, and I have wanted this camera I think since the beginning of this year. So let's open the box and I will show you guys what comes in the box. So this was on top. This is the warranty information. It comes with a 2-year warranty, mechanical warranty, and then this is the manual, quite a huge one. Guess it is in a number of languages. This is the camera itself. cord and the adapter to charge your battery. I've actually charged the battery. You guys, I charged this battery for 6 hours, and then I put the adapter and the cord back into their papers just so I could do this unboxing. Clearly I'm not good at this. And then this is the battery. It comes with one battery, an original Canon battery for this camera. It comes with a strap, and then the lens. The screen flips out like this. You can turn it to face you so that you can see. If you are looking into this camera, you already know this information, I'm guessing. So the cord that I got is a 2-plug. I don't know why I didn't get the 3-plug one. I don't know if they make 3-plug ones, because I would have preferred to not have to deal with using an adapter while I'm charging this. Yep, gave me a free USD card. It's already in here because, like I told you guys, we opened this for testing yesterday. The mem card goes underneath, and the same case to the battery, so you just slide like this. That's that. So it wants me to set the time and date. While I was at the shop, I got a chance to hold the G7X Mark II. That's the camera I was considering either a third camera or this camera, and I can say this camera is significantly heavier. Oh, imeanza kurecord. I'm doing a live stream on TikTok nikipika baked sweet potatoes. Yeah. But I really like the camera. Oh my god, the clarity, just wow. This is awesome. This is really awesome. Iko poa sana. Hey, it's amazing. Although now it's going to show people that I'm not cute. It's going to show all my all my imperfections on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to download the Canon app on my phone so that I can transfer this video. It's now about 2 minutes long. I think that's enough to show you guys the quality. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. As you can see, I'm really happy with this camera. Bye.